Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag and who it's from. Alright, we got a cross stitch. Oh, and we got two other things underneath it. Hang on. Oh my goodness, come off of there. All right. This bag comes from DPClubs. Put those scissors away. It comes from DPClubs, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, then I will put them right in here and in the description box below. So let's take a look at these. I was looking to see if they maybe called them anything. They are thread holders, and I've never had these before. So I thought, yeah, I want to see what that looks like up close and in person. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back. Now these come two in a set, and they are, oh, I do have some thread. To hold your thread, well, if I can get the thread. Okay, when in doubt, cut it out. Yep, there you go. Hold your thread. They are $5 and you get two. It's like $5.27, I think. And I think I've seen these used like so. So there's room on both sides. So there's a total places for 70 some colors. I think 72. Or you could put your thread in there and have a needle and stick it in there, because this is, oh crud, yeah, like if your needle was actually threaded, you could put the rest of the thread down here and sit your needle in it if you had a place to sit it on your desk. But yeah, and they're quite thick. They look like, I don't think they're half an inch. Oh, let's see here what it says. Yeah, it is about a shy hair short of a half an inch. Right there is a half an inch. So yeah, I just thought they were kind of different and might be able to use it for something. I'm not real sure, but I did get two sets. They come in 2 or 3 different colors, and I don't believe you have a choice of what color. They just send you a random color, but I believe that there are 3 different kinds. So yeah, we'll see if we can use these in the future. And they're quite sturdy, you know. I mean, of course, I could bend that in half and it would snap, but this is just it's not a soft, cushy foam. It's pretty sturdy foam, so never can tell what we'll use those for. All right, and this one I got because I've gotten the other one. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. This is 41 by 59, $15.99. I can get it out of the Joy Sunday bag. Let me flip it over. This is Spring Queen. Now, in a previous video, I got, this came from FG Normal. This is the Summer Queen. So now we have the Spring Queen. So I'll see if I can get all of them. But they're between $15 and $20 each. I mean, depending on what store. That's what I wanted to look at. I wanted to see if they were the same size. The Summer Queen is 43 by 60. And this one is 41 by 59. But yeah, I just thought she was pretty with all her colors and her flowers. So yeah, it'll be interesting. It is a partial. And this one is 14 count. I believe the other one was 14 count as well. Let's open this up. It does come with beads. It is separated into 6 pages. Got a little bented up here. And do we have two? We have 1 set of numbers. So this set of numbers on this key go to the paper pattern. It's 181 stitches wide by 280 stitches high. We have 47 colors. You have 40 colors in full stitch. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors in back stitch. And one of them, I'll explain this. One of them is another cotton thread. And they've done 6 colors in beads. So there's 41 through 46, and then 47 is another regular thread color. It says 839. 8. See, it's not even listed here. So it's just an extra one that they're using maybe to backstitch someplace. I'm not seeing anything right offhand. We have full stitch, backstitch, full stitch, backstitch, 3/4 stitch, and bead stitch. Now, when I put my things on, I just pick a color that is closest to the bead color and just make it like 2 strands. So I don't necessarily look for what they recommend. So, and there's not that many of them, so I really wouldn't worry about running out of thread one way or another that way. So, but very nicely printed, very easy to see. You can see where the beads are on her shoulder. There's some in her earring, in her hair. So that might take a hot moment to put in, but yeah, we'll see, right? Okay, where are they? Oh, okay. I was about to have a hissy fit. You know me. It better be there. So this is your bag of beads. And if I can get it open. Let's see here. Does come with a real fine needle. These look like they have fair good size holes in them. You can definitely, probably, most likely, use the needle here. And if it doesn't work, just get a smaller needle. Because the beading needles, I have learned, are just too thin, too fine, and they will snap in a heartbeat. So let's see. We have this beautiful blue. Get you where you can see it. Isn't that gorgeous? We have some, looks like iridescent. It does have 42 on this one. It had 43 on the other one. Crap, where'd it go? Trying to get my hand behind it so you can see the 43. I don't know. There you go. 43. 42 is kind of a white. It's got an iridescent color to it. Ooh, those are pretty. This one is kind of a real pale green. We got, and it's kind of crystalline. And this one's a little crystalline. It's more iridescent than crystal like that one. But this one is like a solid color. And so is this beautiful blue, or turquoise, if you will. And they all have the number right up here on top. But very nice. And we have another crystalline one. And it's kind of iridescent. It reminds me of carnival glass. So, very nice. I really like carnival glass. I fell in love with it a long time ago. But I haven't collected too much of it. It kind of went over the deep end and got a little spendy. So, yeah. And you don't see it much anymore. Oh, let's put that needle in there because it's just kind of free floating. So, I'd rather it free floated in the bag. Let's take a look at the threads. We do have 2 needles, like I said before, and it comes on a regular thread card. Just going to get it apart. And we have some blue and brown. I didn't tell you what colors. It does have some I call it Kreinik in it. yeah, not my favorite thing to stitch with, or too many people in the stitch world's favorite. Yeah, but beautiful colors. I like the browns, the purples, and the pinks. Kind of have a rust color here. Then you have some pastels, but mostly darks, darker colors than pastel. So very nice. And the peach tones, probably for her skin. So yeah, I think this will be gorgeous. Okay, let me put this inside that. Or just get up in there so that I can wrap you in there. I was going through my desk and I found the bag of beads for the one I showed you before. Yeah, it was laying on my desk, so I immediately put it in where it was supposed to be. Okay, let's flip it around. Sorry. And she's kind of good size, but looks very well printed. I'll hold it up still as I possibly can so you can see the symbols, but very nicely done. So there's a big area for her dress. Yeah, it's longer than my desk, but nice big key running along the side. On this side, you have your back stitch, and then the full stitch runs all the way across the bottom and up this way. And then you have your 3/4 stitch and your bead colors. So that's nice. There's no French knots. You can make French knots if you don't want to make the beads. Do whatever you want to do. It's yours at this point. But very nicely printed. And it, you know, it's going to have back stitching, of course. But yeah, nice big areas to stitch in. I just think it'll be beautiful. I've always admired these when I've seen them, but, you know, I didn't. It'd probably cost you well over 150 bucks just to get it with your own fabric, your own threads, and all the beads that went with it. So, yeah, it was never in my realm. So when I saw it like this, I went, yeah. And sure, they're smaller. They're probably 11 by 14 size. But, yeah, I like this just as well. Now, this is, looks like almost 23.5 inches or 59.5 centimeters by 16 inches or almost 41 centimeters. Actual picture size is 33 centimeters or 13 inches across by, she's quite large here. Looks like 51.5 centimeters or a little over 20.25 inches. And it is serged all the way around on lovely canvas. It's nice, it's thin, it'll crunch well. I always go for how the crunch factor is going to be and how it's going to be to hold it in my hand, because I have a tendency to do this with the material and then hang on to it and stitch. So I like to know that it's going to fold down, you know, and soften up a bit. This is not overly starched and it's not overly thick fabric, so I do like that part. Now that is all I got from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for the gorgeous kit. And these thingamabobs that I'm not real sure what I'm going to use them for. Now, if you've ever used these, comment below. Let me know how you liked them or how you use them. So, we'll see. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have a great selection, great prices, and good sales. So do check them out. I believe I have a 15% off discount code, and that'll be in the beginning and in the description box below. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. keep stitching.